The square has all the properties of the parallelogram. Well, let's go through them. We've got parallel sides that are opposite. We've got opposite sides that are congruent. But like the rhombus, we have all the sides are the same. So we'll change this to all the sides being the same. We know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are congruent. When we got to the rectangle, they were all 90-degree angles. So let's just mark these in as 90 degrees. And where we know that the diagonals cut into two equal triangles, 1, 2, and here we go, 1, 2. That works. We know that from the rhombus, the diagonals formed 90 degrees inside the bisecting part. So here we have our 90-degree angles here. Notice that the square has 90 degrees in each of its angle corners, and the bisectors also make 90 degrees. Okay, the bisectors made the 90 degrees inside, but it was the rectangle that when we did the bisectors that made all of these smaller pieces equal to each other. So I'm going to put this down. The square has all the attributes of the parallelogram, and it also has all the sides being equal like the rhombus, and it also has all of the goodies of the bisectors of the rectangle, where we had each of the pieces equal to itself, congruent to itself. The middle angles were not all 90 degrees, and each of the vertices of the outside part were split in perfectly in half. So this 90-degree angle made the two smaller ones in there 45 degrees on each of the corners. So a square has all the properties of the parallelogram, all the properties of the rectangle, and all the properties of the rhombus.